जी वो सर It is an honor and privilege to moderate the inauguration ceremony of the 21st Annual Congress 2021. We will begin the proceedings with recitation from the Holy Quran. I would like to invite Qari Shahid to please come onto the stage and recite a few verses.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وعباد الرحمن الذين يمشون على الأرض هونا وإذا خاطبهم الجاهلون قالوا سلاما والذين يبيتون لربهم سجدا وقياما والذين يقولون ربنا اصرف عنا عذاب جهنم إن عذابها كان غراما إنها ساءت مستقرا ومقاما والذين إذا أنفقوا لم يسرفوا ولم يقتروا وكان بين ذلك قواما والذين لا يدعون مع الله إلها آخر ولا يقتلون النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ولا يزنون ومن يفعل ذلك يلقى أثاما يضاعف له العذاب يوم القيامة ويخلد فيه مهانا إلا من تاب وآمن وعمل عملا صالحا فأولئك يبدل الله سيئاتهم حسنات وكان الله غفورا رحيما ومن تاب وعمل صالحا فإنه يتوب إلى الله متابا والذين لا يشهدون الزور وإذا مروا باللغو مروا كراما والذين إذا ذكروا بآيات ربهم لم يخروا عليها صما وعميانا صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. I would like to announce that Professor Sibtul Hasnain, Patron-in-Chief of the Pakistan Society of Hepatology, has very kindly agreed to join us. He's going to be there virtually. Sir, is he online? Right, sir. I would like to request Professor Anwar Khan, Chief, Sir, guest of honor and past president of the Pakistan Society of Hepatology, to come on the stage. Professor Javed Iqbal Farooqi, past president and a constant source of inspiration for fresh ideas and solutions at PSH. Dr. Muazzamuddin, immediate past president of the Pakistan Society of Hepatology. Professor Altaf Alam, chairman scientific committee. Professor Kashif Malik, current president, Pakistan Society of Hepatology, chairman organizing committee. We will start with the welcome address. It is a privilege to introduce Professor Kashif Malik at this ceremony. He is currently the head of, Professor Kashif Malik is currently the head of Department of Gastroenterology Hepatology at Sheikh Zayed Postgraduate Medical Institute, Lahore. He is the serving president of PSH. He has over 32 publications and has officially trained 8 residents, although the senior lot also think of him as their mentor. He has a special interest in chronic hepatitis B and C, capsule endoscopy, as well as hepatobiliary malignancy. Out of an interest in interventional endoscopy, he has taken up endoscopic ultrasound as the next challenge. I would like to ask him to deliver his welcome address. Sir.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Thank you very much, Dr. Bushra, for such an elaborative introduction. I thank you, all of you, for attending this particular conference, which is after a very long time, a face-to-face conference. And the Pakistan Society of Hepatology has this honor to have this, to arrange this conference in the city of Lahore. I'm really thankful to my organizing committee as well as my scientific committee, and along with that, all the speakers who basically participated from abroad as well as from all over Pakistan on Zoom links and physically. I must say that we have tried our level best to bring this the good stuff to all of you. In that, especially I will like to thank you, Dr. Altaf Alam. He is a big support for us to make this scientific program. Along with that, Dr. Bushra and Dr. Adnan Salim, they all work hard day and night to get us such a good scientific program. In that, I would like to thank you, the event management committee, Quantum, who were with us all through all this struggle, as well as the audio visuals. And I would also like to say thank you to the pharmaceutical and my organizing team, all my residents and my junior consultants who helped me in that. And again, I welcome you to this PSH 2021. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Kashif. Professor Altaf Alam has an illustrious career as a clinician and researcher, as well as teaching, training, and mentoring scores of gastroenterologists, most of whom are sitting here with us. He has lent his wisdom, a calm voice of sanity in troubled times, and offered the final and sane word to the scientific programs that the PSH has come up with over the years. I would like to invite Professor Altaf Alam to please say a few words as Chairman Scientific Committee. Sir.
Thank you, Dr. Bushra, for this kind introduction. Professor Siptan, my teacher, he has not yet joined, but I owe a lot to him. Professor Anwar Khan, with whom I've spent a major portion of my life, around a quarter of a century. Professor Kashif, Professor Moazzam, Javed Farooqi Sahab, Dr. Asad Chaudhry, and Dr. Bushra. It's a pleasure to be attending this physical meeting after such a long time. It has been a pleasant journey, indeed, of 21 years, when 6 visionary hepatologists laid the foundation of this dynamic PSH, which has become the largest organization of Pakistan promoting learning and research in all fields of hepatology. I must admit that I have just been a ceremonial chairman of the scientific committee this year, as all the groundwork was done by my younger colleagues, Dr. Shahzad Riaz, Dr. Adnan Salim, and Dr. Bushra. Thank you for doing all the hard and difficult job. These young people have really worked very hard to produce an excellent 3-course academic feast for you. You have already tasted the starters, that is today. Please don't miss the main course tomorrow, and the dessert on Sunday. There is something for everyone in this scientific program, whether you are a postgraduate student, general or family practitioner, or a practicing gastroenterologist and hepatologist. In the end, I thank all the speakers who accepted our invitation to join either virtually or physically, and all the participants, you, the delegates, without whom the Congress would not have been a reality as it is today. Thank you very much, everyone.
We are waiting for Professor Sibtul Hasnain to join us online. I think it should take just a few seconds. Till the time that Professor Sibtul Hasnain is able to join us, I would like to ask our guest of honor, Professor Anwar Khan, to give his address. Professor and ex-chairman, Dean Sheikh Zayed Postgraduate Medical Institute, Lahore. Professor Anwar is currently working as consultant gastroenterologist, hepatologist at Doctors Hospital, Lahore. He has been one of the pioneers of initiating postgraduate training in gastroenterology in Pakistan and has more than 4 decades of working in Pakistan as an academician, researcher, clinician, and mentor. He's mentor to a majority of gastroenterologists sitting here today, including the present Pakistan Society Hepatology President. I would like to invite Professor Anwar to say a few words as guest of honor. Sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is indeed an honor and a privilege to be a guest of honor for Pakistan Society of Hepatology, which is a pride for Pakistan. I must say, Dr. Kashif Malik as its current president, Dr. Asad Chaudhry as the senior vice president, Dr. Zishan Ali, vice president, Dr. Bushra, general secretary, Dr. Daud Gilzai, joint secretary, and Dr. Adnan Salim, finance secretary, and Dr. Ali Haider, publication secretary, have put up great effort in bringing this very illustrative and illuminating program together. And Dr. Altaf Alam, who has been visionary behind putting this program together, and Arif Amir Nawaz, who is not here, but has been instrumental in giving the IT support, and Dr. Javed Iqbal Farooqi with their insight and the knowledge which they carry for the IT sport is unmatched. Pakistan Society of Hepatology started with a very humble start in 2000. I remember Professor Sibtul Hasnan, who was the brainchild for the society, and with Professor Umar, all meeting in Rawalpindi. At that time, if you look back 20 years ago, there was the hepatitis C and B rampant. There was no cure in sight. Interferon had just entered the market. And there was really a burgeoning need of taking care of liver. And that was the vision of these people who put together the Pakistan Society of Hepatology, wrote down their bylaws, and put together the rules and regulations for putting this all together. Most of our hospitals at the time, 30% of patients were from liver cirrhosis and its attending problems, dealing with bleeding, dealing with variceal, hemorrhage. And those were the issues which had really made it very important aspect to think about making a society, and liver transplant was not in sight. With passage of time, Pakistan Society of Hepatology, with all its efforts throughout the country, with participation of all provinces, have delegated and relegated the task to its council members and those who are participants to disseminate knowledge of controlling hepatitis B, bringing the government at board for starting a universal program for vaccination for Hep B, and also testing and treating for hepatitis C. This has been a long time effort. I remember those days in Sheikh Zayed Hospital where the national program for hepatitis, Dr. Kashif Malik, Altaf Alam, and our team worked very hard testing and treating and convincing people that they must be tested, because hepatitis C, as we know, is an indolent disease without much symptoms. Unless you test, you can't.
Do you hear
find
me now?
Yes, Professor Sibtul Hasnan, we can hear you.
Okay.
Welcome, sir.
And okay,
Such a
and you
pleasure
can
to
see me.
you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay. Your ears must be burning. We were talking about you.
No, half I could see, just listen, and half there was some technical errors.
Okay.
But
Thank
I
you,
know,
sir. Thank you.
but I know.
Thank you
you've
for
been
joining
good.
us.
Okay.
So the efforts of people, individuals, must be recognized. I think Professor Umar in Rawalpindi with his team, and Zahid Yassin Hashmi in Faisalabad with his team, Asad Chaudhry from Gujranwala with ECHO program, and with all the information, with the philanthropist, putting teams together to test and treat. And there were thousands of patients who were treated. Saad Niaz in Karachi has put up enormous work. And these efforts have brought in a milieu of treating a menace for hepatitis C and controlling hepatitis B. I think this has been the task of Pakistan Society of Hepatology, which has given impetus for those who are participating. And then comes liver transplant. The first transplant was started at Sheikh Zayed Hospital. And then there are several centers now in Pakistan. We're fortunate to have a successful transplant happening in Pakistan. Patients do not have to travel to China or India or Europe or America to have with their families bear expenses as much as close to 3 crore rupees. And now you can have it done at home, ranging from 30 to 60 lakhs rupees. This has developed in Pindi, now in Lahore, in PKLI, Sheikh Zayed Hospital, and some private hospitals here, Dow University Medical Institute, and SIUT with the team of Dr. Adib Rizvi and Nasir Lak. I just met him today, and we're proud to see that they're carrying on hepatitis liver transplant programs effectively. It is the Pakistan Society of Hepatology which has given knowledge to aspiring people, students, residents, fellows who have gained from these centers, and now they're holding very responsible positions, not only in their institutes, but also in the society itself. Professor Ghayasul Nabi Tayyib has contributed enormously for providing not only funds, equipment, and centers establishing in Punjab, and also likewise in NWFP, Dr. Javed Iqbal Farooqi has done enormous effort and put together fellowship programs and in dissemination of the knowledge. If you treat few patients, I feel like that if I work very hard, I can only maybe see 50, 60 patients a day. But if you disseminate knowledge, you teach, then you can have everyone seeing those 50, 60 patients. And that is the goal of teaching and training. You derive satisfaction, not only by passing on the knowledge, but the fact that the patients everywhere are being helped. I think I should say that our efforts, and even in the society, have been hampered by the COVID in last March. And we are fortunate to have a physical meeting where we can at least shake hand and greet our friends and colleagues. And I feel so sad that we have lost some of our very dear colleagues to this menace. For the families to grieve forever, because we were all productive and young. At least we thought we were young, but virus, COVID, got the best of us. We have lost several colleagues who worked with us. It's also sad to see that it has affected treating patients with hepatitis C and liver cirrhosis, because this has taken precedent over other needs for the country. And therefore, for a while, hepatitis C treatment had been in a back burner. But we must continue to strive, putting all these facts together and use our resources wisely. I think Professor Sibtul Hasnan is now joined us, and it only behooves for me to thank Professor Kashif Malik and their organizing team for the opportunity of bringing this very illuminating and learning experience for all of us. The international faculty today has been excellent, very interactive, and the two-day further sessions are very promising. And I'm sure that as you are learning, I'm learning a lot from these conferences. I should say that it is really an honor and privilege to be here with the colleagues and the friends. We have worked together very hard to bring this society. And now the torch is in the hand of young, very enthusiastic, more knowledgeable people, because we have kind of gone in the back burner, but they are very well versed with the IT, with new ideas, and they can bring the society to a higher level. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It gives me great honor to introduce Professor Syed Sibtul Hasnain at this forum. Professor Sibtul Hasnain is a man who needs no introduction. He He is founder, member, first president, and now patron-in-chief of the Pakistan Society of Hepatology. Over his career spanning decades, he has mentored many physicians and gastroenterologists who have become heads of department, teachers, and leaders in their own right. His illustrious career took him to the Pakistan Medical and Dental Council as president and to Allama Iqbal Medical College as principal. We are grateful to him for agreeing to grace the occasion as chief guest. I would like to ask him to say a few words. Professor Sibtul Hasnain.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Professor Anwar Khan, Professor Altaf Alam, Professor Kashif Malik, and all others who are present here, I would like to say only a few things because my very dear friend Anwar Khan, who has been a friend and a companion and a great help right from the beginning. So I have been lucky to have very, very dedicated people with me about more than two decades ago when we took the name of a particular society, as we forethought that there is a need now. Pakistan Society of Gastroenterology, I must say, I am one of the founder members of that too. And I am the pioneer editor-in-chief of Pakistan Journal of Gastroenterology, who issued its first issue of the journal in 1987. And till from that time, a lot of people got benefited from that journal because in those era, it was only 17 journals which were recognized by PMNDC, and this was one of them. Having all that association with that society, when we thought of having a hepatology society, lot of reaction came and lot of reaction built up. And you will be, if I go to history, you will be astonished to know that we were not able to register the name of Pakistan Society of Hepatology in Lahore. So we had to go to Karachi, and another dear friend there, Professor Hasnain Shah, he took a great pains to get it registered there. And that is how the beginning started. But the thing is, when you start something, the resistance comes. And that is my message to all of you sitting here. And I see now the third generation of gastroenterologists and hepatologists in this audience. My message is never be afraid of anybody. When you are on right, go with conviction. Once, long ago, I was traveling in a taxi in Singapore. There were a lot of turmoil over here. Governments were very frequently changed. The taxi driver had been to Pakistan, and but he asked me, "What do you do? Why you do that?" I said, "What do you mean?" He says, "We have got a leader who is constantly with us And then he defined the quality of leadership. He said, the taxi driver gave me the message. The leadership is that who can at least visualize 25 years ahead of time than a normal population. And that stuck into my mind. And when the time came that a society of hepatology is to be established in Pakistan, then I was not alone. I had a lot of leadership as my companion from all over the provinces. And as my very dear friend, Professor Anwar Khan has mentioned individually the contributions of those people. And I especially would like to say here, if Professor Muazzam is here in Quetta, he has been a great support in the province of Balochistan. And similarly, in KPK, and even in Karachi, we got a lot of support. And finally, it took off. And it took off to that level that now today you are seeing that this is an internationally known and a recognized organization holding its scientific functions, scientific webinars, and Professor Javed Farooqi, I call him a person with a computer mind because he's always doing something. And all these people, they are all assets. And when I go to Sheikh Zayed, what Professor Anwar has left there as a legacy, each and every individual from that department is a jewel. And I must say that Professor Altaf Alam, he is a real human being and a person to be respected. What respect I have got for him, I can't express in words. Similarly, I appreciate and extremely appreciate the endeavors of Professor Kashif, who has taken over the department. And once I visited that department very recently, and he showed that he has made a lot of changes and progress. And one time, what we used to have, small equipments, and now there's a plenty of equipments. As you said, as Professor Anwar has said, now transplants are also being done. And mind you, it is the awareness once it is created. And in 1991, I vividly remember then when vaccine for hepatitis B came, we held a function in PC. And the then governor was called as a chief guest, and I showed him how hepatitis B spread. And there was nothing available perhaps at that time for hepatitis C. So I showed him the barber, I showed him the dirty places, I showed him the unscreened blood transfusion, and so on and so forth, many things. What he said at the end was, Doctor, what you have said and what you have started to initiate, in fact, it was our job to do well before the time so that we could get this menace out. So now we have got many arsenals to treat hepatitis C, B, combinations, and the high mortality rate once used to be of chronic liver disease. And I've seen that 70% of general medical ward used to be filled up with end stage liver disease. And I have seen that time also that we could say only that it is hepatitis B or it is non-A, non-B, period, nothing else. We didn't know anything from that onward. So my dear, my dear friends, my dear audience, my dear doctors, the future hepatologists, I have seen all those eras. And what today you are experiencing, having people like Anwar Khan, having people like Altaf Alam, people like Kashif Malik, and many more mentioned by Professor Anwar, to come forward to give a state-of-art delivery of service. And now it is your turn to take on and on this torch of knowledge and spreading the knowledge. I might not take long time. I would only say that holding such meetings, because I have gone through multiple times of this exercise, holding of such meetings is not an at all easy task, particularly when the world is in the grip of coronavirus, and unfortunately, the city of Lahore in Punjab is badly hit by dengue spread. I don't know whom to held responsible for that. You know better where the fault lies. I think, but this is not the forum for that. But just I mentioned, be careful of that menace also, which has come up very recently. I will, when Professor Kashif told me to come there, I just said him that there is no harm of coming there, but there is some restrictions which are because of my disease. And then, but he then very graciously allowed me that you can join through Zoom. I am very thankful to you, Kashif, and your team who have organized this magnificent scientific program. I have gone through the list of today and attended few. It is marvelous work being done. I hope all the people who are present or who are connected through through the Zoom, they must be enjoying your meeting, and they will enjoy. And I am lucky to see the 21st annual Congress of Pakistan Society of Hepatology being held, and I'm with you. As long as I live, I'm with you. You are my asset. I'm with you. God bless you. God bless you. Khuda Hafiz.
Thank you for your kind words, Professor Syed Sittullah Snain. We would like to begin the award ceremony now. The first shield goes to our chief guest and patron-in-chief, Professor Sittullah Snain. We will make sure that it reaches Professor Saab. The next shield, it goes to Professor Anwar Khan, our guest of honor. And I would like to request Professor Altaf Alam to please give Professor Anwar's shield to him. The next shield goes to Professor Altaf Alam. I would like to request Professor Anwar to please give Professor Altaf's shield to him. The next shield belongs to Professor Arif Amir Nawaz. We will make sure that he receives the shield. He's not here in Pakistan these days, but he played a prominent role in the organization of this Congress. I would like to now start with our organizers of the Congress, without whom we could not have seen this day. The first is Dr. Asad Chaudhry, Senior Vice President. Dr. Zishan Ali, Vice President. Professor Johar Amin, Professor of Gastroenterology at Sheikh Zayed Postgraduate Medical Institute, Lahore. Dr. Syed Waqar Shah. Dr. Adnan Salim. Dr. Asif Raza Zaidi. Dr. Ali Haider. Dr. Ali Haider. Dr. Daud. Dr. Daud, please receive Dr. Ali's shield, and the next one is yours. Dr. Yasir Abbas Zaidi. Dr. Farhan. Dr. Osman Naeem. Dr. Tariq Ahmed. Dr. Muzaffar Mehdi. Dr. Hassan Nadeem. Dr. Hassan, please receive Dr. Muzaffar's shield as well. I'll request my professors to please stay there. I'm coming over to receive my shield. Last is the person I call my second in command, Dr. Umar Farooq. Over here, we would like to mention all the residents at Sheikh Zayed Hospital who are Professor Kashif's, Dr. Adnan's residents, and they have played a pivotal role in organization of this 3-day event. I would like to name them out and I would request them to come and stand here in front of the stage so that a picture can be taken with Professor Anbar and Professor Kashif. Dr. Wasim Shehzad, Dr. Najam, Dr. Kashif Manzoor, Dr. Shahid Nawaz, Dr. Zoha Rahim, Dr. Ziaur Rahman, Dr. Umair Zubairi, Dr. Saqib Javed, Dr. Umair Ehsan, Dr. Gulzar, Dr. Atif, Dr. Mohsin Raza, Dr. Abdul Razak, Dr. Muhammad Adnan, Dr. Muhammad Shahid, Dr. Mueed Akram, Dr. Uwais Mustafa, Dr. Ali Waqas, Dr. Abdullah, Dr. Altaf Hussain, Dr. Salman Saeed, Dr. Amara Mansoor, Dr. Ujala, Dr. Faria Mumtaz, Dr. Imran Razak, Dr. Anas Qureshi, Dr. Ajab Khan, and Dr. Muhammad Shehryar Khan. I would like to thank everybody for their patient listening and for participating in this inauguration ceremony. This brings us to the end of this ceremony, and please join us for dinner.